Okay students, so this time I'm going to discuss the next tag, that is OL tag, ordered list. In the last class we discussed what is UL, unordered list. So we already created one unordered list, that is a sports list, by using UL tag, and today I'm going to discuss OL tag. Okay, so you see the program. Okay, this was our in the last class we created one unordered list. Here you can see the sports list. Okay, sports items. So here title is sports, A is sports page, then sports information as a first level heading, then as a paragraph we have created here the teacher name, then its qualification, and some sports items we discussed here. 7 more items we discussed here. So we put here as a unordered list, okay, by using UL tag. So here by default it is coming as a disk bullets. Okay, disk bullets. Then we have another 2 bullets, circle bullet and a square bullet, that we can use. Okay, that can also be used here. Then the program you can see here, the same program. We have UL tag here, UL opening and UL closing. In between LI means list items we created here: football, cricket, volleyball, badminton, coco, chess, tennis. Okay, 7 items we discussed here. So today, this time I am going to discuss what is ordered list. Okay, so how to use an ordered list. The ordered list means we can create some list in our web page with numbered list, with some numbered list like 1 2 3 order, or as like ABCD like bullet. Okay, like order, ABCD order, capital letter or small letter ABCD order, and Roman letters order 1 2 3 like that. Such things can be created by using OL tag, that is ordered list. So here I am just changing this UL to OL. Okay, for example. So in the last class we created this type of information. So I am changing it to the into the ordered list. So how to change? This is the list area. Okay, there we used UL tag, unordered list. So I am changing it to OL tag by simply U to O. Now you can see it is OL. Then closing UL is to OL. So OL opening, OL closing. Okay, and just change the size of that one. Let's see. You see OL opening and OL close. Okay, its font size is 5, color is black, so opening and closing is there. Then I am saving this one. Okay, saved. This document is saved. Then reload the same page. You see the web page. Now it is changed to the 1 2 3 to 7. So 1 2 3 order. Okay, so it is starting from 1 2 3 like that. So by default the list item will be displayed as 1 2 3 order. Okay, by default. So here you see another thing, we can change the type of the listing. So you see I am writing here type attribute. Okay, attribute as type is equal to A. You can see type is equal to A, capital letter A. Then I am saving this document, then reload the same page. You see it is changed to the ABCD order. Okay, that list items will be displayed here. Okay, that is displayed here, what ABCD order. Then I am changing it to the small letter A. What is the change? You see a small letter A, then save the document, then reload, then you see small letter ABCD order. Okay, so we can change the type to different Okay, so capital it is by default it is 1 2 3. Then now we change it to the capital letter A. Now it is small letter A. Then I am using the capital letter I. So if you want to use some Roman letters order, then capital letter I am using here. Then saving the document, then reload. You can see the Roman letters 1 2 3 like that. Okay, if I am putting another list item, the 8th list item here, so for that purpose I can use the li is the same is used in the ul tag also. So here in oil tag also we are using li tag. So basketball, I am writing the next is basketball. So the 8th item will be added. Then save the document, reload the page. You see 8 is basketball. Okay, so here it was capital letter Roman letter. Okay, then small letter I means it will be changed to the small letter. Saving, reload. Okay, a small Roman letters. Okay, in this order it is changed. Next, so we discussed whatever items 1 2 3 order, capital letter ABCD order, small letter ABCD order, and capital letter and small letter Roman letters order. And one more thing is that here you can see it is starting from 1 2 3 like that, or A B C D. If we want to start from, okay, here you see space start, one another attribute start is there for type. Then start is equal to, I am writing within the quotation, is starting from 3. That means you see it will be starting from 3. Now it is starting from I, that means 1. Then start is equal to 3 means I will show you. Save the document. Then it will be started from, okay, it is starting from 3 4 5 to 10 like that. Okay, as like here, if you are using a capital I, capital letter Roman letter, then saving, you see it is starting from 3. Then I am using here 1 digit, okay, digit 1, decimal digit 1, then it will be starting from 3. That means here we have given 3. Next, A, capital letter A, that means A B C, third letter is C, so it will be starting from C. I will show you, not from A. You see C D. If you are using small letter, then it is starting from small letter C D like that. Okay, if you are putting here 5, that means it will be starting from, it will be started from E. Okay, E. Okay, so that type of things can be used by using the attribute start. And a type of attribute type of the list can be changed, A or small letter or capital letter or a Roman letter or a digit, that can also be changed by using the type. Then it can be started from which letter or which number, that can be set by using start. Okay, so that's all about the OIL tag, ordered list. Okay.